One small step for NASA's Lucy spacecraft, one giant leap for asteroid exploration. Assembly has officially started for NASA's first spacecraft to explore the Trojan asteroids, space rocks located by Jupiter. This comes after the Lucy mission passed a critical milestone called Key Decision Point D, according to NASA. Now it's one step closer to launch and can come together and be tested. NASA says it's moving from the development stage to the delivery of components, assembly, and integration before launch. Lucy will study 8 different asteroids over the course of about a decade, according to Space.com. NASA has never been to Jupiter's Trojan asteroids, which could hide water beneath their surfaces. The space rocks formed around the same time as the solar system, so they could help us understand how our neighborhood formed. The mission is currently scheduled to launch October 2021, and if all goes to plan, it'll fly by its first asteroid in April 2025.